Hey, what up, ladies and gentlemen? If you're new around here, my name is Lothar from Düsseldorf, Germany, and today is everything about the Insta360 One X. And I made a video last week, link below, and I guess there's some confusion about firmware update and update for the software. I mean, you can control this Insta360 with your smartphone. There is a firmware for the Insta360 and there is an update for the smartphone app that I want to show you today. So first of all, I want to say thank you to all the people who gave me a comment in the last videos or subscribe. Thank you so much. Slowly my channel is growing. Appreciate. Come back to the Insta360 One X. So the new update on the app, the software app on the smartphone, I'm using an iPhone. You have a lot of more filters right now, so it makes a lot of fun to color grade your Insta360 One X video. There's also the Color Plus. You can switch to on or off if you transfer the video to your smartphone. And there are some other options on the voice. So there's a action voice. Let me check again because I'm not sure about the names. There's an action voice and a voice focus. So it depends. I'm trying to figure it out, but it depends. As all the action cameras, the audio quality is not as perfect. But check it out and enjoy and watch my video right now. So I try to explain everything on the smartphone app. So let's start with the first thing you have to do before you download or transfer the video from the camera to the smartphone. I recommend to trim the video because I used to have a cable before, but I don't know, I lost it somewhere in a hotel. So I transfer the video through Wi-Fi and I set the pivot point here. That's the pivot point. Here you can start, and as you know, with the 360 you can look around wherever you want, up and down. So I set this pivot point and let's start a video. So if I make a pause now and I said let me see if I can change something on the color. So, and that is what I said before, there's new filter options, a lot of more filter options. It's like color grading in your Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. So I don't know what's the meaning N1 and 2 and 3, but you can see that the colors are changing. I recommend also not to make it 100%, so you have this where you can say 0, 100. You can go between, but yeah, there are so many options. That makes fun. So it depends what you want. You see here that's a little bit autumn, really autumn style, a lot of orange color. This one is very, very light, but you can go down. So that is the first new thing on the firmware update for the Insta360 One X. So there is this new option in the app that you have Color Plus on or off. To be honest, I recommend to color grade it with the color grading filters in the app, or even if you work with Premiere Pro, DaVinci, or even as me with Final Cut Pro. So there is this option on Color Plus or Color Plus off and on. You cannot see it directly. That's the issue. So before you start to transfer the video from the Insta360 to the app, then you can use Color Plus on or off when you transfer the video to your album, to your smartphone. So even you can see now I took an old video that was a couple of weeks back in New York City. It is yeah, awesome place. So if I want to transfer this video to my album on my smartphone, I select this button. You can see down album here. And then there is the button left downside, color plus, on or off. So if you select color plus on, then this video will be transferred to your smartphone album. That's the secret. So into the end of this video, I want to show you also the different to the audio quality. There's two options. You have voice focus. This will be the first video, and after that it's the action focus. Also on this video I make on the first one, on the voice focus, color plus on, and on the second video is the action focus with color plus off. It's a bit tricky, but I guess you will find it out.
So this is the camera test. So this is the Insta360 1X audio test with the new firmware update. So this is the camera test. So this is the Insta360 1X audio test with the new firmware update.
Thanks for watching again, I appreciate it. Let a thumb up or subscribe. I wish you a very nice day and see you in my next video. Peace.